bathe yourself there, Huff. Someone's whiskers in the milk. Want some? I love the puppy squeaking.
So what happens, like, if they let down so much, they're not going to lock them up?
So what you can't see on the camera is Sweetie attacking the back of the camera.
Sweetie, come here. Want some milk?
Look at her.
Georgie's.
I was like, I want some milk.
Come on, little one.
Come here, sweetie. Want some milk? Come in. Come into the milk. Oh, there you go.
It's just Jim that fakes it.
Zazu, not yet. Zazu, come here.